welcome to the keynote speaker of the ceremony, Mr. Maninder K. Anand, Managing Director, Center for Creative Leadership, India and South Asia.
First and foremost, being a part of this journey with you today is also an experience for me because honestly, I haven't had the opportunity to address 1,000 people together ever before.
Waiting for the new batch because they are the hope for the nation, and what you talked about in your course is what they should practice in their day-to-day life. And thank you very much for sparing time, and then rather thank you very much for asking us to host you on the campus in person, because we all believe that learning is in person. Absolutely. I mean, if we don't have a choice, this digital is working out very well, but then given a choice, learning is mutual, and we really respect and appreciate when you mention that it is not that you are here to teach them, you would want to learn from the youngsters. And sir, trust me, this is what we preach in the university on day-to-day basis, because these youngsters has all the energy, all the information, they have all the intelligence, and we try and learn, pick up few things from them. And so once again, thank you very much, sir, for sparing your time. And then
I think that is a very beautiful way of putting it, that there is a certain amount of failure that you have to go through, but if to the extent that the failure can be controlled and done in rehearsal and in practice sessions, but the thing about failure is not what actually happened, it's how you felt when it happened. That is the most important takeaway. There is no universal way of experiencing failure. Everyone experiences in a certain way. And the other thing is, only when you experience this failure, you have a memory of it. And it's the memory that produces strong emotions that you don't repeat the mistake a second time. So if you lose in a certain way, but it cost you a very important tournament, or you felt terrible that day, then it will haunt you for a long time. And you can take away, and the next time you'll remember, before it happens, you'll say, wait, this is what went wrong the last time, I shouldn't do it now. And so it's really about learning from a mistake. In fact, in chess, we are taught to do this all the time.
Such a huge champion also talks about his training, even today. I was so thrilled and mesmerized to listen those words, that where you were in Poland and you were still looking for your training and you are undergoing training. That really mesmerized me, and that is the hallmark of a champion. And during the course of the entire talk, you kept on talking about training, training and training. I think that's the important word that has come out of today's talk. We talk about Padaro Maradesh. I have always thought about come and study with us. So if we can discuss this as a society and work out the things where we can once again create Nalandas and Takshashilas of our own country and invite millions of foreign students to study with us.
Today, JCRC is a strong Indian and global brand, having its successful alumni across the globe. We are proud of our students and alumni who have proved their mettle in their professional domains, apart from being the good citizens and better human beings.
The students to treat university as a controlled failure laboratory, because this is the place where you are allowed to fail as many times as possible, and teachers are there to support you, to tell you that failure is what from where you will learn from. Success sometimes does not give much of learning, failure gives lot of learning, and for that you need to do your efforts, you need to have practice time and again. Everything is possible to acquire, provided you are putting your efforts and you are exploring the things.
Let me tell you, this is one of the most important days of your life. Today you have transited from being a school kid to a college kid now. And having said that, I understand the anxiety a student faces, being inducted into a college, being called a college student now from a school boy. And but I can tell you that as much excited you are for this journey, even our team is as excited to welcome you all and make you introduced to all the initiatives present here, the facilities and amenities available for all of you at the JCRC University campus.
ISTA's International Association with Exchange of Students and Technical Experiences, we had a vision of establishing good relations outside the boundary of our nation, that is India. And with that thought, and to give equal opportunity to every single student of JCRC University, we thought to bring ISTA to JCRC University. And I'm very happy to say that since inspection of ISTA in JCRC University, we had an exchange of 156 students till today.
If you are interested to know more about this digital world, then this is the right place for you. Come and join JU Socials.
Dear students, if you are being passionate to do something for the betterment of society, then Abhyuday, the social arm of JCRC, welcomes you all. So welcome to the world of learning, to do something to give smile on the faces of little kids. Abhyuday.
So yes, hello all the freshers. I am Nitin Gupta, Student Development Officer on the behalf of JCRC University. Welcome you all on your orientation day. So we are here taking care of all the activities beyond the classrooms and the activities which you like the most. So I am sure you all interested to be part of this wonderful journey with us.
JCRC University is the right platform, and our robust program of internship, which is a 6 months full-time program, full-time course rather, in final semester of each UG and PG degree. So this is mandatory for all the students, and we have set a great record of inviting 86 companies in campus, and they have recruited the students as an intern, and out of that 90% is the selection rate, and that is converted into full-time employment by the companies.
Welcome to the world of innovation. If you are passionate about innovation, then come and join JU Makerspace.
We at JCRC Incubation Center gives life to their ideas and convert their ideas into reality.
See, in 2004, only 160 students and only 130 placement offers, and now in 2021, more than 2,000 offer letters. See the transition, and why this is transition? Because of the student strength, student skill, and the trust. And the trust, if you can see in the slide, there are companies like Accenture, Capgemini, all the top-notch companies, TCS, Deloitte, are associated with JCRC. So that is the confidence we have. Yes, we are doing good for our students.